Do you want to know how you can search for your files in Fliki AI? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search for your files in Fliki AI easily. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, search for Fliki AI and open its official file or link. After you open Fliki AI, log into your account. As you log into your account, you can see this interface over here. To search for your files, all you need to do is tap on search, which is over here, and you can search for your file name according to your wish. So search for your file name and you can see that it will appear on the screen. You can delete it and search for it again and you can see the file will appear on your screen. This is how you search for your files in Fliki AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.